Wei discovers he has the ability to turn invisible, and wastes no time using this power to torment his unbearable female boss, pushing her to the brink of a breakdown. Over the years, Wei had quietly endured all the mistreatment at work, but with his newfound superpower, he was finally able to vent all his frustrations. As the office's typical punching bag, Wei was yelled at by his boss every day. Despite this, he had to smile and act politely while secretly clenching his fists in anger. Once, he was almost caught in the act, but he quickly appeased his boss by promising to work harder. Then one day, as he was about to drink some coffee, he noticed a blue hat on the fridge. Without thinking, he put it on, and when he tried to take a picture for social media, he was shocked to find that he couldn't see himself in the photo. Just then, his boss called out for him to get her a cup of coffee, but when she looked up, there was no one in sight.
또 어디 간 거야?
내가 안 보이는 건가?
Seeing her angrily marching toward his desk, it was clear she had no idea he was standing right there. That's when Wei realized he had turned invisible. His boss, unable to find anyone to yell at, decided to head to the restroom, giving Wei the perfect opportunity for revenge. He followed her closely, and as she adjusted her appearance in the mirror, Wei came up with a plan. He blocked the faucet, causing water to splash all over her clothes. But this was just the start of his payback. When she returned to her desk, she suddenly jumped in fear because Wei was leisurely sitting in her chair. Next, he picked up her coffee cup and began spinning it around, which, to his boss, looked like the cup was floating in the air. Things escalated when Wei hugged her from behind. Terrified, she thought she was being attacked by a ghost and started struggling wildly, accidentally pulling off Wei's hat in the process, revealing him. Realizing how protective he was of the hat, his boss quickly understood what was going on. She grabbed the hat and put it on herself, turning invisible. Now, it was Wei's turn to panic. He tried to stay calm, claiming he could still see her, but his invisible boss watched him ramble at thin air, looking utterly ridiculous.
내가 보이면 너가 뭘 할 수 있는데?
네?
Unable to hold back, she decided it was time to teach him a lesson. When his boss finally removed the hat and became visible again, Wei knew his days of fun were over.